Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to It's My Style. I am Abdullah Faisal. Today my mother is going to tell you how to make Namak Paray. So let's go in the kitchen.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. It's My Style by Aisha. Today we are making Namak Paras, and for making Namak Paras we need all these ingredients. Let me tell you: 2 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of oil, half teaspoon zira, half teaspoon kalonji, and half teaspoon of salt. Mixture will be like this. If you hold it, it must make a lump. Now we are going to add zira, kalonji and salt in it. Add water gradually and make the dough. Our dough is ready, so we will just grease it and leave it for 10 to 20 minutes. Okay ji, after 10 minutes dough is ready. Now we are going to make a flat roti out of it. Let's do it. Okay ji, you can see its thickness, it's not very thin. Okay, now we are going to cut it. Okay ji, we have cut it. Now we are going to fry it. Oil must be hot, then turn the flame low. It should not be very hot, otherwise they will burn out. Okay ji, look at this. These are ready. Look at the color, very nice and golden, and they're very crispy. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and do not forget to click the bell button. Thank you.